Easily add your products to the iDevices connected app. Before you start, ensure that your phone or tablet is connected to your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Locate your product's HomeKit code, and for the wall and dimmer switch, determine if the location is single pole, 3, or 4-way. The iDevices connected app is available to download on the App Store and Google Play. Open the iDevices connected app and follow the on-screen prompts. Access to home data is required for setup. It allows you to control any HomeKit compatible product in the app. Allow notifications so we can send you product and firmware updates. Sync with iCloud to ensure your app data is backed up securely and to transfer app data to new iOS devices. Enable location services for accurate energy reports, location-based triggers, and to automatically switch homes in the app based on your location. To add a product, tap which product you're adding and follow the on-screen prompts. For wall and dimmer switch, determine if the location is single pole, 3, or 4-way. When pairing to HomeKit, locate your product's HomeKit code in the setup guide or on the product. When prompted on screen, enter the code to finish adding to HomeKit. HomeKit codes can be found in all product setup guides. Pull out tabs for wall switch, dimmer switch, and wall outlet, or on screen for thermostat. Add your product to a room based on where it's being installed. Get started with a suggested scene from HomeKit, or press Done to continue setup. Give your product a name based on what it's controlling. Use names for organization and voice commands. If you're setting up wall outlet, the app will ask you to name both the top and bottom outlet receptacles. Select a default photo for your product, or take your own. The trim setting process optimizes dim levels based on your bulb. Trim setting only applies to dimmer switch. Register your product to receive education emails and promotions. Congratulations! You've added your first product.